Growing chamomile in your garden can be a rewarding experience, especially if you're interested in its medicinal properties or simply enjoy its fragrance and appearance. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you grow chamomile. Choose the right location. Chamomile thrives in full sun, but can tolerate partial shade. Select a location in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Prepare the soil. Chamomile prefers well-draining soil and rich in organic matter with a pH level between 5.6 and 7.5. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, consider adding organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve drainage and fertility. Sow the seeds. Chamomile can be grown from seeds or seedlings. If starting from seeds, sow them directly into the garden. Scatter the seeds lightly across the soil, but don't bury them too deep. Just 1/4 inch will do. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Watering in the morning can help prevent mildew and other fungal diseases. Thinning. If you've sown chamomile seeds densely, thin the seedlings to about 6–12 inches apart once they've grown a few inches tall. This will allow each plant enough space to develop fully. Mulching. Adding a layer of mulch around the chamomile plants can help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Harvesting. Chamomile flowers can be harvested when they are fully open. Snip the flowers with scissors, leaving some stem attached. You can harvest the flowers throughout the growing season. Drying. To dry chamomile flowers, spread them out in a single layer on a screen or tray in a warm, dry place out of direct sunlight. Once completely dry, store them in an airtight container. Maintenance. Chamomile is a relatively low-maintenance plant, but you may need to deadhead remove spent flowers to encourage more blooms. Pests and diseases. Chamomile is generally resistant to pests and diseases, but you should still keep an eye out for aphids, spider mites, and mildew. Insecticidal soap can help control pests, and proper spacing and air circulation can prevent mildew. By following these steps, you can grow chamomile successfully in your garden and enjoy its beauty and benefits throughout the growing season. Remember, patience is key in gardening, so sit back, relax, and watch your chamomile garden flourish. Happy gardening!